BMW WaterBlades make your windshield wipers even more effective. They perfectly apply cleaning fluid over the full length of the wipers. These water blades are available for dedicated BMW vehicles. Depending on the model, the windshield wipers need to be equipped with a washer fluid hose. Once installed by your service partner, you can change the wiper blades yourself. To replace them, put your windshield wipers into fold-out position. Now, fold out the wiper arms. Press the securing clip on one wiper blade fitting and slide out the current blade towards the top. Connect the water blade to the fluid hose of your BMW's windshield wiper system. Just push the hose all the way over the connector in the hinge. Slide the water blade into the fitting and push it tight until the securing spring snaps into place. Now, repeat it all for the other wiper blade. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.